Hello, kids. Welcome to Learn with Fun. Hello, kids. Let's learn some colors: blue color, rose pink color, dark green color, plum color, lavender color. Let's learn the number in descending order. Number 5, 5, heart. Number 1, heart. Number 2, heart. Number 3, heart. Number 4, heart. Number 5, 5 hearts. Number 4, 4, heart. Number 1, heart. Number 2, heart. Number 3, heart. Number 4, 4 hearts. Number 3, 3, heart. Number 1, heart. Number 2, heart. Number 3, 3 hearts. Number 2, 2, heart. Number 1, heart. Number 2, 2 hearts. Number 1, 1, heart. Number 1, 1 heart. 5, number 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 hearts. Number 4, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 hearts. Number 3, 3, 1, 2, 3, 3 hearts. Number 2, 1, 2, 2 hearts. Number 1, 1 heart. Subscribe.